Welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Let us consider this question. So we have a heart added to a heart again, multiplied by a cake is equal to 54. And also we have a cake multiplied by a heart added to another cake is equal to what? 50. We are supposed to find a heart added to a cake added to a heart. This question was asked to a 7-year-old child. 7-year-old child does not know anything about quadratic equation. Can you figure out the solution? Just pause the video and think about it for some time. So let us look at how to solve this question. So first of all, I always encourage my students to represent the object by a variable. So we can say that the heart is equal to x. We can represent the cake to be what? Y. Now we have what? X plus xy is equal to 54. So wherever we see a heart, we put x there, and wherever we see a cake, we put what? Y there. But we have to, when you are solving these questions, you should always remember board mass. So from here, we have to always do multiplication before addition. That is why it's what? Xy is equal to xy. Now the second one to the same thing, we have to do the multiplication first before the addition. So we have what? Yx plus y is equal to 50. From here, we can subtract equation 2 from 1, and we are going to get x minus y is equal to 4. From here, we can make as a subject, we are going to get y plus 4. And from there, we can substitute y plus 4 in the first equation, and we are going to get what? 4 plus y plus y squared is equal to 54, and we are going to get 4 plus 5y plus y squared is equal to 54. But this question was given to a 7-year-old child who does not know anything about quadratic equation. So how can we help this 7-year-old child to solve this question? So just recalling, we have what? X minus y is equal to 4. Something interesting is happening here. So because we can establish some fact here. First of all, x will always be positive. X will always be positive. And also, x will always be greater than y. Because if y is greater than x, it will be what? Negative. So that fact, we can establish it. So x is always greater than y, and also x should be greater than what? Also 4. Because now if x is less than 4, automatically it will become what? The value will be less than 4, which does not make sense when we want to calculate, when we want to find this. Okay, now let us think about it for some time. So now we can say that also y will always be greater than or equal to 1. Why? Because if x is greater than 4, for example, if x is 5, y should always be what? 1. So we can have it to be x can be 5, y is 1, x can be 6, y is 2, because 6 minus 2 is what? 4, and so on and so forth. So from here, these are the two equations. We can draw a table, and we can just put in the values into x5, y1, and this is the first equation, this is the second equation. Then we can check it. So when we check it, we saw that when x is 9, y is what? 5, and we are going to get 54 and 50. Right? So now we know the values of x and y. So from there, we should be able to put it in the equation for us to solve the puzzle. So now we know that we have a heart plus a cake and plus what? A heart. So now we know that x, which represents the heart, is what? 9, and also y which represents the cake is also what? 5. So we can insert these values into 8. Then we can get what? Y, we can get the answer, we can get 23. So it means that now we know that x is 9 and y is also 5. So we can use not only quadratic equation, but we can use another approach to solve this puzzle. Thank you for watching, and always you can subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.